Hello, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl BB. If you haven't been here before, please subscribe down below. After the video, if you do like the video, please like it and comment and let me know what you think. I love to hear the feedback. So today I decided to do an Eid makeup tutorial. Eid is just around the corner in a couple of days, and I said, why not? Let's just do an Eid makeup so people can see what I would do for Eid. After this video, I will have another video coming in shortly of Eid looks that I will wear. So please stay tuned and watch my videos and let me know what you guys think. Eid Mubarak to all my brothers and sisters out there. May Allah give us long life and prosperities, and may He accept our prayers. Alright, you guys stay tuned and enjoy the video. So today I'm going to first off, I like to do my eyebrows first, but before I do that, I like to prime my face so it can sit into my pores by the time I start my foundation. So I'm going to start with my matte Prep and Prime primer in the color Radiant Yellow. And then we're just gonna, there, get that all in there. Hey, did I scare you? Dang, you see how I'm getting into that? Yes, get in there, girl. Moisturize, prime it up. Next one I'm gonna do is use another primer that I like to use. Is my Farsley Volcanic Elixir. Just get a couple of out. I've used a lot of Farsley products, and I definitely have nothing bad to say about them. I love their products. It is great. Oh. Okay, so I'm just gonna. Yeah, baby, get that oil in there. Get that shine. Yeah. Damn, girl, you oiled up, boo. This face about to be beat. So now I have my whole face and lips and everything shining. Let's get into these brows. So I'm going to use my pomade from Anastasia Beverly Hills in the color Chocolate. So now that we're filling these eyebrows in with my pomade, you see how I'm getting that outline right there? Yeah. You know, honestly, like when you're doing your eyebrows, just draw the as your eyebrow is. What is this? Next, I'm going to use my eyebrow pencil that I get from the dollar store. I love this eyebrow pencil to death. I've been using it for years, and nothing has gone wrong yet. Now we're going to fill that bad boy in. I like my eyebrows filled in. I don't care if y'all can tell these are eyebrows. Yeah, those are eyebrows. I don't care. They're not natural. Whatever. It is what it is. I bought it with my dollar store stuff. So, boom. Get with it. But, yes, girl. I'm about to be beat. And now, I'm going to use my matte concealer in NC45. I'm going to use it on the bottom layer of my eyebrow to conceal and Look, you know the only way these eyebrows gonna be real beat is if you conceal and highlight underneath, because baby, I need these to pop. Do you see that pop? Do you see that pop? Just wait. You don't gotta wait on it. You know y'all see it. Don't play. Damn, girl. So now that I've done my eyebrows, the bottom layer of my eyebrows, I'm going to do the top using the MAC concealer in the color NC50. Yeah, that's right. I had to do the top because I got to make this complete. I need everything to look good. Damn. I mean, God, Benta, you did that. Like, and I only had to do it once. Like, I didn't really have to, you know. But yeah, after I conceal it, I'm going to go back in with my pencil, you know. I'm going to put that up there too so I can really get that outline shot. It is what it is. So what I like to do first is I'm going to set my eyebrows with my P. Louise in the Rumor 5. What we finna do, we finna prime them babies. Like, you know, honestly, like I really like P. Louise because it really sets the eyes really well. I just hate that it's really sticky, but like to get the stickiness out, you just gotta kind of buffer it, and that's why you see me somewhere in this video. You're gonna see me tap it with my hand to see if the stickiness is gone, because I don't like when it's too sticky. I just don't like it. It's kind of like a glue almost, gives you that like tack. But yeah, but do you see how smooth that is lining up? Like y'all can't tell me nothing, nada, Dara. So first I'm going to use this eyeshadow. Life is a Drag color palette by Lunar Beauty. I love this color palette.
Life is
and
a
I'm going to use the color Campy. Yeah, so like now that I'm using this Life of a Drag palette, I love this yellow. I love a good yellow on my, somewhere in my eyelid. I don't care. I just always have to have yellow. But you see how good that P. Louise just makes it pop. Also the yellow does it too, but the P. Louise definitely helps with it. And I don't use the swish swish motion. I pat it on because I want the color to stay. If I wanted to swish swish it, it's just gonna lose its color. If I wanted to fade, then I'll switch. But I just like to pat it on, like buff, buff, buff. I don't want to, if you know what I mean, because I don't know what the word is. Next for my palette, pressed powder palette, I'm going to use the color Stone. My eyelid. Yeah, so that stone color, you know, I'm gonna pat that onto there with that crease, you know, mix it. And I kind of like it, like that color, you know, it's whatever, it is what it is, but that pat so the color can really show. It's kind of like an army green in a way, kind of like a light army green, but I like it, I fucks with it, you know, I rocks with it. I'll see how I use it. Damn. I feel like I look good and I'm not even done yet. Y'all see me talking in the background, like, just like I'm crazy. My cousin over there just talking in the background, so I had to mute it and do a voiceover. There's some nonsense, but I'm going back in that yellow so I can have a transition and, you know, buff that in, make sure you blend it well. Now I'm talking randomly, so I'm gonna shut up, okay? So now I'm gonna go with my Julius palette and I'm gonna use the color Cairo on somewhere on this eyelids to make it pop. Oh, well. So now that my eyeshadow is done, I'm gonna go in using my MAC Black Track Pro Longwear Fluid Line. It says AB9, so I'm guessing that's the color of it, but it's an eyeliner. What I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna use this eyeliner to outline how I want my eyeliner to be instead of using this. I usually use like the gel type, not gel, but liquid eyeliner, but like I like to use this to like outline it because eyeliner is very precise and very hard. So you just take your time with it, honestly. You know what, it's, see, it's very hard to get the perfect outline. Some days you'll get it, some days you won't. It's just, it is what it is. I found an easy way of doing it. It's just coming out from the, like, a lash line in a way. See how I do that one? So now I'll go with my Tarte's by Tarte eyeliner, liquid type of thing, and I've outlined it. I'm just gonna darken it now. What you can do is lift up like that. I honestly love doing outliner, but it is tough, y'all. That is not easy. It is hard to get a good wing, but when you do get that good wing, you better take a lot of pictures that day, bunny, wearing different outfits because it is hard, baby. Okay, don't underestimate it. Now I'm gonna use some under eyeliner. Can't go wrong with that. Or easiest. Okay. I'm gonna go in first with my first mascara, which is Better Than Sex. And I'm just gonna put some mascara on. Next, I'm gonna go in with my Beauty For Real mascara and now let's put these lashes on. You know your makeup ain't popping until you get them lashes on, you know what I mean? But a good thing I like doing my eyelashes, if you want to dry and let it get tacky, just put it underneath a hot dryer or something for like 3 seconds and it will get it tacky. And you can put it on. I like to start from my middle, then in the corner, and then the outer corner. Well, look at that. That just makes everything different. And I don't even have foundation up yet. But time to do the foundation. So what I like to use first is my foundation from my Lancome, which you know from my Q&A, I told you I swear by this foundation. It is in the color is it actually? 540 Sway W. 24-hour tint. It is amazing. I love it. I swear by it. You will not hate this. Alright, so bet. You know when you put the foundation on, like, don't drag it along. I don't like using Beauty Blender because it gives me that spongy effect. So, there that. Now I'm going to use my Juvia's Place concealer in the number 12. And I'm going to conceal with it. Perfect. Done. I've never really been a fan of the foundations from Juvia's Place or the concealers and stuff like that. But today I realized that if I just let it sit and oxidize, it'll give me a good outcome for the price I paid. So now I can't complain. So I'll definitely be using this more and more. I love it. I love it. I love it. So just let these cheeks oxidize a little bit more. So now I'm just gonna blend this. So now I'm about to blend this in and stuff. I think it's gonna turn out really good. Well, I know it's gonna turn out good because it's me, but I can't stress enough how much you should really blend in your stuff. Like, if you give it a good blend, it will come out seamless and perfect. You just gotta really blend it out. You know, I can't do a good contour line because I'm already fat, so I don't want to make it look like I have 15 other cheeks around me. Using my Sacha Buttercup setting powder. I totally forgot about you guys for a second. I forgot I was related to them. So yeah, I'm gonna get this around my face. So I can set this makeup in. So now that I'm about to set, I totally forgot that I need to do one more concealer under my eye, and it's a concealer from NARS. I love it. I just like to put it right underneath my eyes, and then while I do that, I'll just start to, you know, set my face and stuff like that. I don't like to set my cheeks for too long, just because once again I don't want to make it look like I have 15 cheeks. I'm too fat for that, so I don't need to look fatter than I already am. But yeah, I'm just gonna blend that all out, you know, get that in there, stuff like that. What else am I doing? You know, just, you know, I don't know what I'm trying to say. Just blend. I cannot say that enough. You just gotta really blend. But yeah, now I'm just gonna, you know, one of these days I'm just gonna start to, you know, buffer everything out and set everything in so I can look no flashback, you know what I'm saying, because that should be really real and embarrassing because nobody's gonna tell you, but we okay. Gonna do my bottom eyelashes with my Beauty For Real. Okay, honestly, like, I'm doing my bottom eyelash. I love doing bottom eyelash, and today for some reason my bottom eyelash is like actually really showing, like it's coming out for real. So I love this look. Like, it makes it seem like I have bottom eyelashes. Like, this is beautiful. I'm so excited about it, y'all. Y'all better watch out. Now with my blush, I'm going to be using Bella by Juvia's Palace and let's blush on. Now with my last but not least, I will be doing using my Gold Deposit Mineralizing Skin and Finish by MAC. So one thing I will say when doing your highlight and blush and stuff is when you have it alongside your contour line and stuff like that, you want it to kind of transition. You don't want it to just be like, you know, contour, blush, highlight. Like, no. Let it kind of go into each other, like blush, torque light, or, you know. Now I'll be using my Tarte lip gloss for my lips. And we are done. Let's go get dressed up so you guys can see the finished look.